Hi there, if you are ready to learn something new and super useful, you are in the right place. Hi there, in today's video tutorial, you will learn how you can crop or export the digital elevation model or raster data as per your area of interest. So here you can see the digital elevation model as well as my area of interest. Okay, so this is my area of interest and this is the digital elevation model. Okay, now select the digitizer tool and now select your area of interest like this. Okay, now go to the file, in the file export and export elevation grid format. Select the GeoTIFF format and click OK. Now export bounds. In the export bounds you can also select the Dropbox like this Dropbox, but I just need my area of the digital elevation model in my area of interest. Okay, so I will cancel it. You can also uh, export it the visible on screen, the visible portion of the digital elevation model which is on the screen. This is the current projection MRE military grid system bounds, but here this option you can select this you have to select this option crop to selected area features. Now select it. So it says clamp crop area to loaded data bounds. This is the selected feature. Okay, now click OK and save it. I will create a new folder and AOI DEM. Okay, now save it. Now you can open the digital elevation model of your area of interest like this. Uncheck the digital elevation model, that this one, and you can see the digital elevation model of your area of interest, how you can crop it as per your area of interest. Now if you want to use the other options, so you can also use those options and you can see the difference then. Now file, export elevation grid format, GeoTIFF. Now bounds, what does actually the screen means? Now let me once again, for example, zoom into this part like this. This part is only I can see on the screen. So now go to the file, export it, export elevation grid format, GeoTIFF, export bounds, and now all data visible on screen. So now click OK, and here screen GM, for example. Save it. Now let me import it, open data, and this is the screen DEM. Now open it. This is my screen DEM. This part was only I was able to see on the screen at that time when I exported this digital elevation model. So you can also crop like this, as well as you can select these other options as well, like export elevation grid format, GeoTIFF, export bounds. This is the original location size, and now let me use the military grid reference system. You can also use this one, and you can also use layer bounds. For example, I just want to use the layer bound of my area of interest. This is my area of interest. Now click OK. So you can also, this area will be only exported. This is the area bounds in square form. Okay. So here you can see how you can export and crop all as per your area of interest in different style.